Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear boys of grade 7A? I hope you all will be fine. Here is your teacher, Mr. Sanawla, for the subject of English literature. Today we are going to do the revision of comprehension activity which I assigned to you last week. So you must study all the pages from 166 to 170 of this lesson for a clear idea. The title of this lesson is Premises. What was your activity? You have to write true or false for each statement. If you remember last week I gave you 10 different statements. Now you are going to evaluate or check the answers with mine. I hope you will get 10 by 10 marks. Number 10. According to Zeus, every gift doesn't bring penalty. So my dear boy, this is a false statement because he told Prometheus that every gift was always bringing or causing a kind of torment or penalty to the people on planet Earth. Number 2. At first, men were frightened by the gift. Yes, and it is true. When Prometheus showed the gift of fire to the people or to his fellow countrymen, they got frightened. It is true. Number 3. Zeus sent 3 vultures to torment Prometheus. This is false. Zeus actually sent only 2 vultures to punish Prometheus. Number 4. Zeus had never been a great admirer of Prometheus. This is a false statement. Actually, Prometheus had never been a great admirer of Zeus. Okay. Number 5. Zeus saw a castle, hearts, and many other things. True. Yes, this statement is true, no doubt. Number 6. The people felt themselves melting with hunger when the meat began to sputter. Yes, true. Number 7. The vultures were killed by Prometheus. False. It was not Prometheus who killed the vultures. So this is a wrong statement. It is false. Number 8. Prometheus saw that the people were making ships and raising white wings of sails. This is a false statement. Actually, it was Zeus who had seen that people were making ships and raising white wings of sails. Number 9. According to the words of Prometheus, fire is an ill-natured spirit and a little brother of the sun. Yes, this is true. And the last one, Prometheus always hesitated to meet Zeus face to face. This is a false statement. He was confident enough to meet Zeus face to face. So what are you going to do as your homework? You will revise all the exercises of words meanings, word power, their sentences and comprehension. So this is your homework. I hope you will do it very well. See you next time with a new lesson. Thank you very much for attending the online class. Stay home, stay safe.